Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to create another Roblox account. Whether it's for a new username, testing, or just having fun, let's just dive right in and start with the video. So for that, you can open up Roblox on your mobile browser or your PC wherever your current account is located. Let's head over to PC for now and we can go to roblox.com. From there, you will be logged in into current account. So what you can do is you can click on your profile icon here or go to settings and select the option log out and log out from the particular account. After you log out, you will be taken to the sign up page here. You can see sign up page. You can go to the sign up page currently, which should be available like this. Now you can start by creating your account. For that, you just need to fill in these details. So first of all, go ahead and provide in your birthday, day, month, day, and year. So select up your year, your day, and your month. After that, you need to choose a username for yourself. I'm just gonna type in a username. After that, you can type in your password and select your gender. And you can agree to the terms and conditions and click on sign up. Once you do so, you can click on save and wait for certain seconds. And after doing so, you will be signed up and there you go, your account has been created. For the new account, you need to go ahead and use a different email or phone number. You cannot use the same email address. You can verify your email after signing up. Look out for this add email option and click on it and you can verify your email to verify yourself and continue. And that way your account has been created. Now you can have Roblox account ready to go. Remember, always follow Roblox rules and keep your account secure. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.